Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 8 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter 2 dimensional figures. The lessons we're going to cover today are exterior angle theorem, interior angles of polygons, identify complementary, supplementary, vertical, adjacent, and congruent angles, and then parts of a circle. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 8 math. The chapter we are on right now is two-dimensional figures. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so the first lesson is exterior angle theorem. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, what is measurement of? So exterior means the out angle that is outside, right? The one that are the inside the triangle are the interior angles, right? These angles are the interior angles. They are inside the triangle. So they are the interior angles, right? So one that is outside the triangle is exterior angle, right? You need to find the exterior angle, right? So basically we need to learn the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem states that this angle is equal to the sum of the other two angles, not this one, right? The two interior, like this is the angle on two lines, this line and this line. So you need to calculate the angle 1 by adding the angles on these two lines, the other two angles on the same line. You need to add 53 plus 46, that is 99 degrees, right? The exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the opposite two interior angles. The opposite two interior angles, they are, right? So if for this angle, these are the two opposite interior angles, you need to add them so you can find the angle 1, right? Okay, so let's just start with the test questions. So here is the live chat button, right? Tutors are available there on this button during the shift timing between Monday to Friday and 5 to 9, right? You don't have to go to Skype now. Okay, measurement of angle 1. So angle 1 is an exterior angle, right? So exterior angle equals the sum of the opposite two interior angles. So opposite two interior angles are 92 and 57. So which is the correct option? 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 5 is 14. So that is 149 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, but is measurement of angle 1. So which is the correct option? That is 142 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is measurement of angle 1? Which is the correct option? That is 89 degrees plus 42. The correct option is 131 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is measurement of angle 1? Which is the correct option? That is 31. You need to add the opposite two interior angles, right? So that is 31 degree plus 32 degrees. The correct option is the correct option is 31 plus 32 equals. The correct option is 63 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. Angle 1 is the exterior angle, and exterior angle theorem states that the sum of exterior angle equals the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So opposite two interior angles are 31 degree and 32 degrees. So just add them, right? They are 63 degree. Their sum equals 63 degrees. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is what is measurement of angle 1, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 131 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, what is measurement of angle 1, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is 188 degrees. What is measurement of angle 1, which is the correct option? That is 136 degrees. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is identify complementary, supplementary, vertical, adjacent, and congruent angles. So let's just start with the lesson. Which angle is vertical to angle DEA? So which is the correct option? Okay, angle DEA. Hold on. Which angle? You need to find the vertical angle to angle DEA. DEA. This is angle DEA. Vertical angles are the angles formed opposite each other when two lines intersect. So these two lines are intersecting each other, right? So the vertical angle to DEA is BEC. This is the vertical angle, right? This is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are the vertical angles to each other. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which angle is supplementary to angle BFE? Supplementary angles are the angles that sums to 180 degrees, right? So hold on. BFE. Here is BFE, right? So the angle that is supplementary to the angle that makes this angle complete 180 degrees, you need to add AFB. So the supplementary angle is angle AFB, right? If you add AFB and BFE together, they forms a supplementary angle. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? That is option number 1. Which angle is complementary to angle BDC, which is the correct option? Angle BDC, that would be angle ADB. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is option number B, that is angle ADB. Which angles are complementary to angle CGD? Okay, angle CGD. Let me hold on. Complementary angles are the angles that sums to 90 degree, right? So angle CGD, this is the, so you have to make it sub complementary angle. So the complementary angle is BGC, right? That is option number one is the correct option. BGC is the correct option. Other than itself, what is an angle that is congruent to angle 2? So here is angle 2, right? The congruent angles are, the correct option is angle 3 and angle 4, right? Congruent angles are the angles that have the same length, measurement. The correct option is angle 3 or angle 4. Which angle is vertical to angle 1? Which is the correct option? Vertical angles are the angles that are formed on the opposite sides of two intersecting lines, right? So here is angle 1, right? So vertical to angle 1 is angle 4. So the correct option is angle 4 is vertical to angle 1. The correct option is angle 4. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Which angle is congruent to angle 2? Which is the correct option? Which angle is congruent to angle 2? So which is the correct option? Here is angle 2 and congruent angle is angle 5. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Which angle is complementary to angle ADB, which is the correct option? Complementary to angle ADB is BDC. The correct option is option number 1. That is angle BDC. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which angles are vertical to angle DGE, which is the correct option? Angle DGE. Vertical to angle DG is AGB. The correct option is angle 2, that is angle AGB. Option number 2 is the correct. Which angle is vertical to angle DEA? The correct option is angle BEC. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is parts of a circle. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, so what is B? B is the center of circle, right? This is the point B, that is the center of the circle. So here is the some concepts related to the circle. Let's just learn them. A chord connects two points on the circle. So any 2 points, right? The chord is not passing from the center of the circle. So here is the line, that is the chord, right? Then our diameter is a chord that passes through the center of the circle. Diameter is the line that passes through the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle, right? Then a radius connect the center to any point of the circle. So that is the radius that connects the center and any point on the circle. Okay, so let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is UV? So UV is the line that connects the center of the circle and any points on the circle, right? So that means that is the radius. The correct option is radius. The correct option is what is HI, which is the correct option? So HI is the line that passes through the center of the circle, right? That is diameter. The correct option is diameter. What is LM, which is the correct option? The correct option is chord. It is LM is chord. What is point D? The correct option is center of the circle. D is the center. What is HI, which is the correct option? HI is the radius of the circle. Radius it is. What is UV, which is the correct option? The correct option is diameter. It is option number 2 is the correct option. What is FG, which is the correct option? That is chord, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is find measures of complementary, supplementary, and adjacent angles. Let's just start with the parts of a no parts of a circle we just did. Interior angles of polygon. Okay, what is the sum of angle measures in the shape? That is a quadrilateral, right? Quadrilateral is made up of two triangles. So each triangle have 180 degrees. So two quadrilateral have 2 times 180. So the sum of the angles measured in the shape is 360 degrees, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is the sum of the angle measured in the shape? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is 540 degrees, right? The shape have three triangles and 3 times 180 is 540 degrees. What is the sum of the angles measured in the shape? So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1, that is 720 degrees. What is the sum of the angles measured in the shape? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 360 degrees, right? Because in this shape you have two triangles, right? So 2 times 180 equals 360. What is the sum of the angle measured in the shape? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 720 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the sum of the angles measured in the shape? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 360 degrees. What is the sum of the angle measured in his shape? That is 540 degrees. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is two-dimensional figures, and the lessons we have covered today are interior angles of polygon, exterior angles of polygon, interior angles of polygon, identify complementary, supplementary, vertical, adjacent, and congruent angles, parts of a circle, and so please make sure before the next session you can complete all the questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of lesson, you can Click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished,
Here to
you can please ask kindly all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the